Let's make microgreens.
Hi children, Teresa Miss is here today to show you how to grow microgreens. What are microgreens? Do you know the meaning of micro? Micro means very small, then green. So it is something to do with plants.
Look at these tiny plants. Do you know what these are? These are microgreens. They are considered as baby plants. Microgreens are tiny leafy vegetables which can be easily grown at home. They are packed with nutrients and microgreens are super healthy food. We are not adding any fertilizers or pesticides to grow them.
Did you see how the microgreens look like? Do you know how to grow these? I will show you today how to grow these microgreens. So come on to Mrs. Working Table. I'll show you how to grow these microgreens.
You may use any seeds of your choice to grow microgreens. Here I'm using mustard seeds, green gram, horse gram and red cowpeas. Before we sow the seeds, it has to be pre-soaked. We have to soak the seeds overnight. Place the seeds in the bowl and pour water over it. Now let's see what happened to the seeds that we soaked in water. Children, can you see a difference in the seed? It has increased in size. That's because seeds have absorbed water. Yesterday when we soaked the seeds, they were quite hard, but now it has become tender. See, I can easily break the seeds. So by soaking, the coating has become soft and makes seeds sprout faster. Within a day, you can see the shoots appearing. So the soaking process is complete. Before we transfer the sprouts to the soil, let's strain the excess water with a strainer. Now that we have strained all the water, before we transfer the seeds to the pot of soil, let's allow seeds to rest between two wet paper towels for a couple of hours. See, now I'm covering it with another wet paper towel and spraying with some water. Do the same way with rest of the sprouts. Children, do you want to see what has happened to the seeds after covering it with wet paper towels and kept for some times? Look at the seeds. They have begun to sprout. Can you see our red cowpea seeds? They have started sprouting. Do you know what these tiny little things are? They are called shoots. When the seeds put out shoots, they are called sprouts. Now, let's see the other seeds too. This is our horse gram sprouts. These are our green gram sprouts. Look how nice they look. And next, I will show you the mustard sprouts. Can you see the tiny little white sprouts there? Now transfer the sprouts into the soil. Fill the containers with soil. Like sunlight and water, soil is also an important thing that helps the plant grow. Soil is rich in nutrients and minerals. These help the plant grow. Now, let's spread the soil evenly and sow the seeds. Scatter the seeds evenly. Scatter, scatter, scatter. Scatter, scatter, scatter. And press them into the soil. And then put a thin layer of soil over the seeds. And now let us spray some water. After that, you do the same thing with the other seeds as well. Here is a special thing about microgreens. We can grow them even without soil. So for children who live in apartments and for those who find difficult to get soil, they can grow microgreens without soil. Let me show you how. I'm taking 4 to 5 folds of tissue paper and placing them into a bowl. Let's spray some water now. Spray, 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 spray. Now let's spread the sprouts evenly on the paper towel. After spreading, now let's spray some water. Spray, spray, spray. Children, remember to sprinkle water 2 times in a day, and also make sure that the sprouts are exposed to sunlight for at least 2 hours a day. So children, for a plant to grow, they need soil, water and sunlight. But microgreens are special. We can grow it without soil. Now, observe the growth of the plants daily. Today we are going to harvest our microgreens. Are you excited? We have to just cut the tip of these. Can you see how these have grown? I have kept it only for about 7 days. These are the microgreens from red cowpea. See, Mrs. cutting it out. These are the leaves, the microgreens of mustard seeds. Mrs. cutting it out. These are the horse gram sprouts. And these are the ones that I grew on tissue paper. Can you see? And this is the green gram sprout. Microgreens are now ready to go into your favorite dishes like sandwiches, soups, pizzas, tacos or chapatis, pastas and smoothies. Here I'm going to add the microgreens grown from mustard into my egg. Does my omelette look delicious?
Was it fun? Why don't you also try at home and send Miss a video or a photograph of how you make the microgreens. Miss will be waiting. You can send this on our green day. Bye-bye.
Go green, eat veggies and stay healthy.